How much money do website designers make? There is no one definitive answer to this question. Depending on a person's level of experience, skills, and location, website designer salaries can vary greatly. The Bureau of Labor Statistics reports that the median salary for web developers in the United States is $66,000 per year. However, there is a large range of salaries within this field. The lowest 10% of earners make less than $35,000 per year, while the highest 10% make more than $124,000. Skills and experience are key factors in determining how much a website designer can make. Junior web designers may start out making closer to the lower end of the spectrum, while those with many years of experience and specialized skills can expect to make more. Location is also a significant factor in determining salary. Web developers in major metropolitan areas typically earn more than their counterparts in smaller cities. Many factors play into how much a website designer can make, so it is important to do your research before making any assumptions. With the right skills and experience, it is possible to make a very good living as a website designer. As website designer salaries continue to grow, so does the demand for talented designers. This makes now a great time to pursue a career in website design, as the future looks bright for those with the skills to create nice website designs.